Ako pinaging presidente ng Metro Manila Game Foul 3 years ago. Kaya po nabuo ito, nakita ko yung sabong dito sa San Pedro. Pagdating na sa stad, ayaw na sila sumali. Kasi nagdududa sila, kayaan daw, kasali na matanda. Kaya ako nakakit sa tulong ng ating kaibigan dito sa San Pedro na si Ronald Tolentino. Nag-usap kami isang araw kung paano i-approach ang mga backyard breeders. At kami nakapagtanong-tanong kung sino yung pwedeng maging member. Nakabuo kami ng 27 member. Hanggang ng aming sinimulan, nagkaroon kami ng format sa pagdami. Ito yung local lang, wala yung national. After a year, na natapos namin yung local, siyempre maghanap kami ng mga new member. Isa na ron, si Joey Hidalgo na new member. Kaibigan siya naman, friend. Sabi ko, para ka akong gumaganda, pwedeng unahan na natin ng NFTV. Baka pwede tayo maging member nila. Nasikaso ni Joey Hidalgo, hindi naman yung dalawang salita kay Fred. Kaya ako nagpapasalamat at nakuha tayo ng NFTV sa mixing panahon.
Mga kasabong, kasama naman po natin ngayon ang Director for Planning Committee na si Mr. Joey Hidalgo. Joey, since you're the Director for Planning, can you please tell us about your future plans for this organization?
Well, basically today we had a great kickoff to the year for 2012, starting with our General Assembly. This time of the year, all of our members have their chicks, January and February born. So what we had today was a series of talks. First was an update from our President and Chairman, Mang Boy Ginto, to talk about our success in 2011, followed by the Treasurer's report. We also invited Mr. Fred Katigbak of the National Federation to give us the update for 2012, which we're looking forward. For this year, we're all very excited because basically we're growing in leaps and bounds in terms of number of members. Basically, our member profile are gentlemen who live in Metro Manila, Manileños, who have farms in the outskirts. So the nearby provinces of Laguna, Batangas, and Rizal. We're looking forward to Bakbakan Derby this year. We were told earlier that it's going to be a 12-stag format, so we're very much looking forward to that. Prior to the Stag Derby in San Pedro Coliseum, which is our home basket, we will be having a series of derbies and the Bulang Bulang, Bull Stag Derby, which happens around April and May. So we encourage all of you who live in Metro Manila to please join our group, the Metro Manila Game Foul Breeders Association.
Thank you, Joey, for your time. At mga kasabong, magbabalik po ang tuka.